up to the 3rd floor. Oh, attic. Alright. So, it's a big house, as you can tell, in the attic. And did all the furnace startups. Don't ask me what's going on over there. Yeah, don't even look over there. Oh my lord. But I got this Honeywell ERV HRV that just hums. So let's see what we got. It's probably never been taken care of. The wheel is dirty as hell. And the motor is humming. Let's see. As you can tell, they don't clean up here very much. I don't even know how old this thing is. I don't even know a model number. And I think we in? No. No. That one. It's not a quarter, it's 5/16. And it's no 16ths. What is it? I can't even see it. Oh, that would be a flathead screw. Oh shit. Almost lost my screwdriver in the cover unit. Come on, flathead screw. Oh, it's gonna be a long one. Alright. Let's see. Let's shut the power off. Thinking I got a headlight on, but I don't. Oh, she's locked. Oh, she's locked. Well, that's how the thing works. Oh, the screens. Oh, this thing hasn't worked in a while. Oh, and there's a filter in there. Where's the filter? Oh yeah. Yeah, she's crusty. Oh, she's crusty, baby. She's crusty. Oh my lord. This thing hasn't worked in a long time. ERV, energy recovery. Dude. I don't even know how old this is. Maybe 93? Kind of guessing. Serial number 9315. Let's see if I can get a picture of the... Let's see. And it figures it's upside down too. And let's rotate, apply. I'm gonna say it's from '93. This thing's toast. It's never been maintained. It's not worth fixing. Because the amount of parts you're going to put into it outweigh the cost of the thing. Because it needs a wheel. It needs a whole assembly. Even if we can find that assembly, it probably needs like a... Oh, this... Is this thing supposed to turn? Yeah, there we go. Well, looks like we're going to be installing a new unit. Jeez, oh Pete. Yeah, I can't even see the... Yeah, the bottom side of the wheel is plugged up. Sometimes you just got to know when to quit. And this would be now for this ERV. It's going to cost more than a brand new unit to get the parts. Not cheap stuff. Alright, well, let me get it back together. Let's see, this wheel is... I don't even know where that goes. Oh, oh yeah. So it runs off that wheel, runs to another wheel over here, and runs to this wheel. So as this fan's turning, it's geared down to run this wheel. So I got, depending on which blower is which, let's see. I got intake air coming down there, hits the filter, comes up here as cold air, out here. This motor pushes air this way, and as this turns, this is a heat recovery wheel. So as this turns, you got the exhausted warm air here, and technically it's supposed to heat this up. And as this turns, the cold air gets heated on the way in, or tempered. Not heated, tempered from the exhaust air. So we got air coming in there to the filter, through here, and then out to my supply. Is that my supply? Yep, that's to my supply. And then this is my return. This would be my stale air. Comes into this box, through the wheel, and out here, out this, and all the stale air goes outside. So I got two penetrations in the wall. I got a stale air and a fresh air. And like I said, that this is supposed to warm up. It's energy recovery. So as I'm warming this up, and this is spinning, I got fresh air coming in here, which gets tempered. Technically, that's how it's supposed to work. But since this one's broken, it ain't working at all. And yeah, we got a little filter there is clogged. So this customer's probably going to want to opt for a new energy recovery unit because this thing is hit. Sometimes you just gotta know when to say it's time to replace. But that's, you need some pipes straightened out too. That's gonna be it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.